So this part is written directly under my boobs.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a length check to track the growth.
People make that mistake of saying clove dries out their hair. That's because you are not sealing it with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Clove dries out the hair because it's a protein treatment. Yes, it has eugenol, which promotes hair growth. Using protein treatment on your hair, if you don't seal it in with a moisture, it's going to cause hair breakage.
Your entire life can really change in a year. You just have to love yourself enough to know you deserve more, be brave enough to demand more, and be disciplined enough to actually work for more.
Let's talk about clove. Majority of people have complained that clove still breaks their hair, while others say that clove actually grows their hair. I'm a living testimony that clove actually grew my hair, and so many other people have testified that clove grew their hair too. But some people out there are still complaining that it keeps on breaking their hair and it's drying to the hair. First of all, let's state the facts. Clove is drying to the hair, but does it break the hair? It all depends on how you use clove. I have created so many videos concerning clove, including where I buy my clove, how to make clove water, and how to use clove water for hair growth. So for those that have been complaining that clove water breaks their hair, please stay tuned. Every detailed information you need will be listed in this video, so you may want to watch to the end. And for those that want to use clove for the first time, also stay tuned. Information will be listed out on how to try clove for the first time. Factors like age, scalp infection, poor nutrition, exposure to environmental aggressors can actually slow down your hair follicles from growing. But clove can actually promote hair growth, increase the strength of your hair, and even helps with dormant hair follicles. It also helps to strengthen the hair. So for those that have been complaining that clove is not working for them, you are probably using it the wrong way. And the reason why I say so is because clove have nutrients such as eugenol that promotes hair growth. It also strengthens the hair. For people that have sensitive scalp, I will not advise you to leave clove on your hair overnight. It will dry out your scalp and also cause irritation. While those that want to use clove for the first time, please start by doing a patch test. Probably get some strands of hair that's from the back of your hair and do a patch test. If you have any allergic reaction, then consult a dermatologist. Don't go further. All right, so here is how to make clove water. First of all, you have to boil your water on the heat. The quantity of water you boil determines the quantity of clove water you want to make. So there's no measurement for the quantity of water to boil. Just put 1 to 2 cups of water in a pot or in a kettle, and when it boils, transfer that water into a jar or into a stainless bowl. Do not use a plastic bowl because we are dealing with hot water and we all know what that means, right? So after doing that, you are going to pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of clove into that jar. Cover it up and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. You can actually leave it overnight if you want, but if you don't want to leave it overnight, just let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. By then it would have infused properly. How to use clove water, which is the most important part of today's video. Please put your hair in a cornrow or in mini braids and mini twists. So you sprinkle the clove water on your scalp and on your hair strands, like on your hair as it is like that, while your hair is in a hairstyle. Okay, so just sprinkle it like that, then immediately go in with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This is where people make that mistake of saying clove dries out their hair. That's because you are not sealing it with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Clove dries out the hair because it's a protein treatment. Yes, it has eugenol, which promotes hair growth. And using protein treatment on your hair, if you don't seal it in with a moisture, it's going to cause hair breakage. Go to the market, go to a store, get a moisturizing leave-in conditioner and seal it in. You don't have to unravel your hairstyle, please. The way it is like that, just apply the leave-in conditioner on it. Okay, apply it on it, and make sure you get the tips of your hair. Those are the most important part of your hair. All right, get the tips of your hair, then you go on to use a hair growth oil. If you don't have a hair growth oil and you have olive oil, almond oil, argan oil, avocado oil, these oils will help. You also have rosemary essential oil and lavender essential oil. Please use it when making your clove water. The process of allowing your clove water to infuse, put in rosemary and lavender essential oil. Note: it's one thing to complain if clove is not working for you. After using it the proper way, okay, that is understandable. That means clove is not working for your hair type, so seek for another remedy. I will recommend rosemary leaves, either dry rosemary or the fresh rosemary. Either of them works perfectly well. Then is another thing, if you are not using clove the proper way and you are complaining that it's not working for you, use it the proper way and it will work for you. A lot of people have called me after watching this video. This video is currently going viral, that it's not working for them, that the clove really grow my hair within 7 days. Yes, it did. Clove is a hair growth treatment. You just have to use it the proper way, and I guarantee you that it will work for you. So follow the steps I just mentioned to see that clove will definitely work for you. And I'm going to list all the benefits of clove on the screen. The reason why I said that they should put their hair in a protective style is because their hair is kinky. Okay, I am also African. I'm a Nigerian precisely. Our hair is kinky, it's coily, so over manipulating it is going to cause hair breakage. So for the usage of clove, I will advise you to use it 2 to 3 times in a week. That's just it. Maximum 3 times, minimum 2 times. Don't use it more than that. If not, it's going to cause scalp irritation. If you want to use it every day as a hair challenge, you can go ahead and use it, but I'm telling you now that it's not necessary. It was only an experiment to prove that clove actually grows the hair, for those that still doubt that clove does not grow hair. So if you're a white person watching this video, you can go ahead and apply clove water all over your hair and use it however you want to use it, because your hair is not as coily as that of an African person. You people's hair can be easily manipulated, okay, and it won't break, but ours is not the same hair texture as yours, because any small thing our hair will break. It comes with a lot of coils, so we can't afford to be manipulating our hair too much. So if you want to do any hair treatment on your hair and you know you're not going to take down your hairstyle as soon as possible, probably after weeks or a month, just put it in a protective hairstyle, then you use the clove treatment or rosemary water treatment on your hair. Then whenever you're ready to wash your hair, you take down your hairstyle and you wash it. Okay,
another way to use clove water is as a tea rinse, just exactly the way I'm using it on my hair in this part of the video. So when you're done washing your hair, putting your hair mask and rinsing all of them off, the next step is to pour in your clove water. Pour it on your hair and squeeze out the water. There's no need of rinsing it out, okay, but if you still want to rinse it out, for those that have sensitive scalp, go ahead and rinse it out. Don't worry, the ingredient is still there. Just make sure when you pour the clove water on your scalp, you cover it for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then you rinse it out. Then those that don't want to rinse it out, immediately you are done pouring the clove water on your hair, just squeeze out the excess water, and then you come out of your shower. Then you go ahead to moisturize your hair with a leave-in conditioner. All right, please, leave-in conditioner, hair growth oil, then you style your hair. I really hope all these tips have helped. Please go ahead to click the like button if you end up enjoying this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all in my next upload. Bye.